Hello ladies, this is not a sponsor, but I found this product at a beauty store na paborito ko. So, when I saw all the beauty blogger, like mga older beauty blogger everyone, nakita ko yung paano how to make their makeup look more younger looking by applying a balm everyone. So, I found this balm everyone. This is from Womi brand. This brand. So this Womi brand, and this is a moist balm for sensitive skin. So this is the packaging. So actually, I apply already the balm and my favorite foundations na usually na ginagamit ko, this shell. So in-applyan ko yung mga part talaga na usually talaga na problema sa ating mga babae, lalo na sa may mga edad. Like sa forehead area, like this area, like hair area, like hair area. So that's the common talaga problema sa mga nag-iedad na mga babae at sa mga under eye, no? So I apply this in this area, in this area, in this area, and this area, and this area in my face everyone, and then I apply my foundation on. So you can see talaga ang ganda, and I apply also here in my forehead dahil dito mayroon. So in this packaging everyone, ito yung nasa loob, and then this is made in Japan. This is made in Japan, and this is the balm inside. Kung nakikita nyo, ginamitan ko na siya, no? I apply in this area, and that's a common problem, and mayroon siyang kasamang ganito everyone. So talagang napaka-comfortable talaga. You can use this applying by on habang nagme-makeup ka, and then after makeup also everyone, talagang you can apply everyone, no? So talagang ang ganda, and then you can apply your additional face powder. So ang ganda talaga everyone, ang ganda, and I'm so happy of this product. Talagang ang ganda, na-amaze talaga ako because you know, I love makeup, but I love this Womi talagang, yeah, and this is made in Japan. Okay, so have a lovely day everyone, and this is my beauty tips to all not older, at may edad na mga babae, and then if you want to look more younger, just apply balm on your face before applying your favorite makeup, okay, to make more youthful, glowy, healthy skin. Okay, so thank you so much.
So I'm back. I applied already my favorite product, this sunscreen cream, and my foundation is PF cream, and I apply this balm from Womi. And next, I add my favorite tertiary everyone. Ang ganda nito. I feel amazed in this tertiary everyone. Talagang ang ganda niya gamitin. Talagang in just one touch talaga you can apply talaga in a whole on your face. Talagang it stay for 72 hours. Talaga it's very waterproof. Talagang ang ganda. And yeah, I feel amazed of this tertiary everyone. Talagang ang ganda gamitin. And as you can see, and you know, it's not like the other cushion foundation everyone na if you touch, talagang it's a very sticky. But this one, when you apply this on, when you touch, it's very soft. It's just like a porcelain lock skin talaga. Very soft and talagang very smooth yung result. And it's really last long, 72 hours everyone. No? For 3 days you are beautiful. And that's how amazing tertiary is. So this is my foundation. So next, I'm using my Dior Show Kabuki Styler. So let's do our eyebrow. So this is my kilay everyone. So let's continue our eyeshadow, our false lashes, our contour, and our lip color. So I'll be back later for our Saturday makeup look.